what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to show you a couple of villa options available here in Sanur. So we have a Sindhu chairs, dining table and chairs. Have a cushion behind the bed, stone, which is satellite television and Wi-Fi. Twin sinks in here, so you try shower, which I presume comes through the mouth. So this place is called Tamblingan. This is the entrance, and this is to a. We have a beautiful swimming pool right smack a kitchen facility here over on the far side. Oven under the bottom down there. Just to the side of that, you have two sofas, cabinets, sofa. You have twin sink, lighting on either side, jets in it, the bathtub. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Sanur. I'm on the main street of Jalan, Tamblingan, and what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to show you a couple of villa options available here in Sanur. So many of you are probably used to staying in hotel, guest house, homestay type accommodation. However, Bali is quite popular for having many villa accommodation options available to you. By renting a villa, you're basically going to be renting a home away from home. It's going to have a bedroom, a dining room, a kitchen. Some can come in 2, 3, 4 bedroom options, even 5 bedroom options. There's many villa options available here in Sanur for you to try. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you 2 villas here in Sanur. The villas featured in today's video are going to be Ellora villas and Ajanta villas. So this is the Icon new shopping complex that's been built. This is Ellora villas, and then we're going to head down here. So just on the side here you have a place called the Skara Homestay. We have another place, homestay here called Mona Homestay, and then down here is going to be Ellora villas. A little laundry here, so if you're staying at Ellora villas and you need your laundry, you just head round here, and then Ellora villas reception area is here. And then they have a big parking facility area here also. So this is a little reception area, and you have also a little seating area here also. And just from the Ellora villa now, the room that we're going to show you is just round here. Okay, so this is one of the villas here at Ellora villas. We're just off Jalan, Tamblingan, so we'll take you inside for a look around. So there's your villa. I'll take you and show you the swimming pool area first. Swimming pool's just opposite the bedroom, and then your dining lounge area and kitchen is just to the side. So you can just literally step out of your bedroom and into the swimming pool. A nice gazebo style for lounging around just on the back side of the swimming pool. And then here you have a nice undercover but outside kitchen facility area and lounge area. So you have a synthetic sofa with soft cushion seating, wooden table, have a towel rail for drying your towels, have a table and chairs, dining table and chairs. Have a 4-burner stove, refrigerator, have a microwave oven, and a sink. And just through here in the lounge area, have a toilet facility. And also a wash basin, a mirror. So just in case it rains, you've got shutters that you can roll down also to have protection from the rain if you're sitting in the lounge or in the kitchen area. Okay, so this is a 1-bedroom villa. 2-bedroom villas are also available here at Ellora Villas. So we'll take you inside and show you around. We have a nice sofa with wooden table, decoration on the wall there, have a Balinese style lamp, and then here we have a double 4-poster bed. Have bedside cabinets on both sides and bedside lamps also on both sides. Nice decoration behind the bed, stone. And then just opposite your bed at an angle you have a TV, which is satellite television, and Wi-Fi is also provided. And it looks as though there's a DVD player. Yes, there's a DVD player also. And speaker surround system. And then just behind the bed you have 2 double wardrobes. This one has a safety deposit box inside. There's also a hairdryer provided as well on here. Hairdryer. You have a little dressing table area, stroke desk with a very large mirror. It is air conditioned, it's a very big air conditioning unit. And then this is the best bit. This is a huge bathroom. Really beautiful stone marble bathtub. Beautiful decoration in here. Nice painting on the wall with a cabinet down below. And towels. You have twin sinks in here, so you're travelling as a couple. Huge mirror. It looks as though soap is provided also. Separate toilet, very nice, big toilet, nice and clean. And then here you have a separate shower. It's a twin shower. You have a handheld shower and an overhead rain shower. All again very clean and neat. This is your bathtub from a different angle. Just behind this door here, I believe, we have an outside shower. Yes, we do. You have an outside shower, which I presume comes through the mouth of the thing there, and it goes down here. Voila. So the second villa, what I'm going to feature in today's villa, is a place called Ajanta Villas. So Ajanta Villas is actually attached to a place called Fit24, which is a fitness gym stroke centre. So any of you that are looking for exercise and a gym facility while you're here in Bali, that's also available. It is connected with Ajanta Villa. However, if you're staying at Ajanta Villas, use of the gym facility is included in the rental of your villa price. So I'll just show you the outside of the gym facility while we're here at the front. So this is the Fit24. So Ajanta Villas is located on Jalan Tamblingan. Heading in this direction, you'll be heading towards Sindhu night market. and heading back on this direction you'll be heading towards Artazenda's supermarket. You're inside now, so this is the reception area here at Ajanta Villas, so just go inside this office here and see the staff inside, and then this is down towards the villas. So this is the entrance to all the villas here at Ajanta Villas. So we have 6 villas in total available. There's 3 2-bedroom villas and 3 1-bedroom villas. So you can see all the bamboo running up along the side of the walls. And then the villa we've going to show you, or we've shown you in today's video, is located down this passageway here. And then if you come out and go this way, I've been informed that we can go to the beach. Okay, so this is Ajanta Villas here on Jalan, Tamblingan. This is the entrance, and this is to a 2-bedroom villa. So let me just take you inside. You have a little table that greets you as you walk inside. Wooden table, synthetic chairs, soft cushion seating. To the side of that you have 2 sofas, wooden, with soft cushion seating and a pile of cushions as well, and a little dining table. Just over the far side you have a kitchen facility here. Over on the far side we have a huge big refrigerator. That's one of the biggest ones I've seen in the villas, provided with a kettle. You have a stove, gas stove, have a microwave oven under the bottom down there, the sink, and aqua. So you have the aqua gallon there. That is provided by Ajanta Villa, so you've no need to worry about purchasing water. You have a beautiful swimming pool right smack in the centre. You have some synthetic sun loungers. There's 2 on that side there. There's 2 here. This is the entrance to the villa, just to the at the end of the swimming pool. And as we step foot inside, you have a big desk area there with a chair, nice decoration on the wall. You have air conditioning in here, you have a lamp there, and there's your outside towards the swimming pool. Just over on the far side, surrounded by windows all around, you have a big double bed. Have bedside lighting on both sides, bedside cabinets. Have a fan also in the middle here, so it's air conditioned and a fan. And then you have a TV on the wall here, and a DVD player also. And then here you have a sofa with a table, some nice little statues there, decoration, and that nice decoration on the wall behind the sofa. And this is going inside to the bathroom facility area. Ooh la la, this is nice. So you have twin sink, lighting on either side, huge big wooden frame mirror, so water's provided. Toiletries are provided with the Ajanta Villa logo name on them. Treble wardrobe. I've already checked, there is a safety deposit box, but I'll just show you anyway. So there's a safety deposit box in there. There's also hairdryer provided. The toilet is in a separate room here. Nice big toilet, nice big space in the room as well also. And then here you have a bathtub as well. Looks like a jacuzzi with jets in it, the bathtub. Nice decoration picture on the wall. Towel rail. And then just outside here you have a shower. It's an outside stroke inside shower. So it's up there, the shower. So it's a rain shower, and then there's your controls there. And then this bit here is actually outdoors. The shower is undercover, but that bit's outdoors. So here in the reception area here at Ajanta Villas, we have another access door, and we have a little gym facility.